guys, it's Samantha Erica and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be straightening my natural hair, and this is actually going to be my second time straightening my natural hair. My first time straightening it was in 2016. I think it was around summer 2016, so it's been over 2 years since I've straightened my hair. I actually planned on straightening it yesterday, but you know, life happens and sometimes you don't get to do things when you want to do them. But yeah, I'm gonna be straightening it today. I did wash and blow dry my hair already, so I'm gonna be working on clean hair, and this is what it's looking like. I had it in that braid since I blow dried it just to keep it kind of in control, but yeah, this is what it looks like blown out. And I am going to straighten it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and section it into halves so that it's easier to work with. And I'm gonna do one side at a time. So the flat iron that I'm going to be using is my Irresistible Me Diamond Flat Iron, and that's what it looks like. And I'm going to be flat ironing my hair on 400, and I think that's probably the highest that you should flat iron your hair on. I think anything above 400 is damaging to your hair, so I'm going to be using 400. So I'm just gonna wait until it gets up to 400. It's currently at 300, and when it gets to 400 I'm going to start flat ironing my hair. And if you guys want to see how I blow dried my hair, just check out my previous video. I'll leave a link to the video in the description box down below, or I'll link it somewhere in the video so you guys can check that out. So the heat protectant that I'm going to be using is the Chi 44 Iron Guard, and it's a thermal protection spray, and that's what that looks like. And I'm just going to go ahead and spray it to my first section. And my flat iron's ready. It's at 400. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's at 400 degrees, and I'm going to try and do a very small section at a time just to make sure my hair comes out really straight. Okay guys, so I am done flat ironing my hair and this is what it looks like. I went ahead and put on a white t-shirt so you guys can see a little bit better, but that's what it looks like from the front and that's what it looks like from the back. I'm really happy with the way it turned out and it didn't take as long as I thought to flat iron. So yeah, I'm actually gonna go ahead and do a trim right now. I've been needing to do a trim for a while now and I've just been putting it off. But now that my hair is straight, it's gonna be a lot easier to trim. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that right now. If you guys do want to see me trim my hair, just stay tuned for my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos from me. Bye!